CAT 2024, Slot 2, LRDI, puzzle number 3. Again, a doable puzzle. Yes, it includes some kind of calculations, some prior knowledge of mode, cumulative average, etc. Let's start doing it. We'll understand it easily. This says an online e-commerce firm receives daily integer products rating 1 through 5 given by buyers. So buyers give the ratings 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 like we do in Google. The daily average is the average of ratings given on that day. Like means the total of all the ratings on that day divided by number of buyers who are giving the rating. The cumulative is the average of all the ratings given on the before that day. Cumulative word, I believe we are aware. That is, we used to practice this in median when we used to calculate median. The rating system began on day 1. The cumulative averages were 3 and 3.1 at the end of day 1 and day 2. Distribution of rating on day 2 is given in the figure below. So let's understand first of all the day 1 when we had the rating was 3 and day 2 the rating we are not aware, the cumulative rating is 3.1. So let's write their cumulative ratings that we have given, the information we have been given with, we are just noting them down. Now day 2 distribution is given, then information about day 3 is also given here. Let's jump to the question number 1. How many buyers gave rating on day 1? Now to find out the number of buyers on day 1, we know the rating is the average is 3. So if we come to know the average of day 2 also, that will give us a hint how to find that out. For example, if we have done mixture negation, if day 1 is 3, day 2 is x, and day 3 the cumulative if I have that is 3.1. So by doing using mixture negation, I can find out the cumulative rating. Now first of all I need to find out this x. So let's try to find out this x here. So the ratings given on day 2, the rating 5 was given by 10 people. That means this is going to be 5 into 10, 50. 4 rating was given by 20 people. That means this will be 4 into 20, that is 80. Then 3 was given by 5 people. So 3 into 5, that is 15. 2 was given by 10 people, 2 into 10, 20. And 1 was given by 5 people, so 1 into 5, 50. That means the total number which we have, that comes out to be 50 and 80, 130, 140, 45, 165, and 5, 170. So the 170 is the total rating. The number of buyers, if I add 10 plus 20, 30 plus 5, 35 plus 20, 55 and 5, that is 50. So if I try to find out the average comes out to be 3.4. Now this value is 3.4. Now by the use of mixture and alligation, I know this is 0.1. We are taking a difference here, 3.1 and 3.4. Difference is 0.3. Here the difference is 0.1. The points gets cancelled. That means the ratio of the quantity should be 3 is to 1. I know the 3.4, the number of people who are voting, that is 50. Like we said 10 plus 20, 30 plus 5, 35 and plus 10 here because this was into 20 actually. Into 10 equal to 20, 45 and 5, 50. So if these people are 50, that means 1 is equal to 50, or I can say x is equal to 50. That means 3 should be equal to 150. So straight away, I get the answer to the question that the number of people who are giving the votes, the ratings on day 1, that is 150. So that is my answer. Let's go to the question number 2. The question number 2 says, What is the daily average rating of day 3? Now I have to find for day 3, so I need to use this data now. Now let's use this data. 100 buyers gave product ratings on day 3. That means the total number of people who are giving on rating on day 3, they are total 100 numbers. The mode of the product rating are 4 and 5. That means 4 and 5, if they are mode, that means a buy model. There are two modes. Mode means the maximum frequency, the maximum people are giving the rating of 4 and 5. Numbers, we are not aware. Number of buyers giving each product rating are non-zero multiple of 10. So the people who are giving rating, they are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. The same number of buyers for gave product rating of 1 and 2, and that number is half the number of buyers who gave a rating of 3. So if I talk about rating 1, let's say X people have given rating 1 on day 3, and X people has given a rating 2, then 2X has given rating of 3, and Y people should give rating 4 and 5, and we know this is a model class for day 3. That means Y has to be greater than 2X. Now let's add all that. Now x plus 2x, 4x plus y, that is 2y. So I get first information that 4x plus 2y, now that is equal to given to me 100 buyers. That means this is equal to 100. So I can write this as 2x plus y, that is equal to 50. So this is the information what I can conclude as of now. The second thing which I have, when they asked about the average rating, I need to know the rating also, the value of x and y. So if x people give rating of 1, that means they are people x. The x people are giving rating of 2, that means that is 2x. 2x people are giving rating of 3, that is 3 into 2x, that is 6x. Then y people are giving rating of 4, that means 4y. And 5 rating given by y, that means again 5y. This comes out to be 9x plus y in total. So that is the total which I get. Now I know number of people are x and y, and the numbers are in multiple of tens. So if I put x as 10, the y has to be 30, and if I put x as 20, y has to be 10. Now, as I said, y has to be greater than 2x, so this is not possible. That means x, the value of x, that is 10, the value of y is 30. So this is the total I had. That means this is 9 into x plus y, that is 30 plus 10, 40, divide by total number of buyers given to us already 100. That means that is 36 by 10. The average has to be 3.6 on day 3. I'm sorry. So that means the answer to this question is also clear, 3.6. So it's not tough, it's just use of the mathematical calculations and we could easily do it. Now, what is the median of all the ratings given on day 3? Now, on day 3, we have already seen in the last question 10 people are giving, because x is 10, so 10 people are giving rating of 1, 10 people are giving rating of 2, and 20 people are giving rating of 3, and this is 30 and 30. Now median means central value, that means 100, that means 50 and 51 by 2, and that cumulative frequency, like in the last question we had cumulative averages, like they are also using this word. So the cumulative numbers, if I talk about, if I put them in ascending order, it gets 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 20, 40, and then 41 to 70. All the ratings for 50, 51 going to be here, and this is for rating 4, because for median we have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. So this is the cumulative frequency we have, and this is for number 1, this is for number 2, this is for number 3. So it's a cumulative frequency. So the answer gonna be 4, because 50 and 51 gonna lie there only. So answer to question number 13 will be 4. The next question we have: which of the following is true about the cumulative average rating of day 2 and day 3? Now for day 2 it is 3.1. That was for day 2. For day 3 we have to calculate. So how to calculate that? This 3.1 multiplied by 200 buyers. Day 1 had 150, day 2 had 50, plus day 3 we just calculated. 3.6 is the average rating multiplied by 100 buyers. The total comes out to be 620 plus 360 divided by total number of buyers we have 300. 0 gets cancelled. We get 98 divided by 30. So the cumulative average comes out to be 3.26. This is the cumulative average of day 3. Now the question, they say the cumulative average of day 3 decreased. No, it increased. So first is not the answer. Then it increased by less than 5%, 5 to 8, or more than 8. That means I need to find out the percentage, how much the increase was. So increase 3.1 and 3.26, the difference is 0.16. Final value minus initial value, divide by initial value, multiplied by 100. Point say point cancel. 0, that means it's going to be 160 by 31, which is going to be 31 into 5, 155, 5.1 percentage approximately. So the value is above 5 and between 8. That means the answer is option number 3. So this is something which has to do with the calculation, no doubt, but it was not tough. It was doable in the exam. Hope you have understood the process, understood the question. Any doubts, you may always write in the comments. And if you have understood everything, then do like, comment, and share it with your friends so the maximum people can take the benefit. Thank you so much, guys.